Kumusta tayo mga ka-problematics? Siguro naman ay nasusundan mo yung mga tinuturo sa inyo. Pero kung hindi, tara, mag-usap tayo. Pag-usapan natin ngayon yung isang bahagi or part ng isang circle na tinatawag po nilang sector. Ano nga po ba itong tinatawag nating sector? According to the definition, a sector of a circle is the part of the interior circle that is bounded by two radii and an arc. Meron pa ako ditong isang halimbawa ng circle with 3 radii. So, yung dalawang radius, yung dalawang radii rather, ay meron pong silang nabuo na pwede po natin tanggalin or pitasin. Ito po yun. Ito yung kanilang nabuo na pwede natin tanggalin. Pagpalagay natin ito pizza, kukuhanin natin yan, tatanggalin natin yan. So, hihiwain natin ng knife. Pag tinanggal natin yan, ang tawag doon, sector ng isang circle. So, yung ibang hati, ito is another sector. Ito naman po is another sector. Anyway, meron ako dito mga degree measures na binigay. Ito nga po pala ay tinatawag po natin itong central angle. Ito naman po ay tinatawag nating intercepted arc. Yung mga dulo ng ating pong radius, ang tawag po natin dyan pag nagsalubong sila is intercepted arc. I have measured this as 135. Pero meron tayong definition na kung ano man daw ang measure po ng central angle, that is also equivalent to the measures of our intercepted arc. And therefore, kung ang central angle natin is 35, therefore the intercepted arc is also 135. Ito rin po is also equivalent to 135 na measure ko na po yan kanina. And at the same time, the intersected arc is also 135. Dito naman sa kabila nito, ang measure natin is equivalent to 90, which is the angle. Of course, ang kanyang intercepted arc hanggang dyan is also equivalent to 90 degrees dahil ang central angle at saka intercepted arc ay lagi pong equal. Okay. Pero pwede po natin mas maintindihan kung ano po ba ang ibig sabihin. Ang ibig sabihin ng sector ng circle, ito po. Meron akong isang circle. Hahatiin ko po siya equally into 8 equal parts. Of course, yung una kong hati, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ang bawat isang bahagi sa kanila, ang bawat isang hati, ang tawag po natin sa kanila is one sector. This is another sector. Kung kukuhanin mo po yun, yung ibahagi na yan, at isinubo mo, kunyari sa 5 po yun, ang tawag dyan is sector ng isang circle or bahagi. So, in this figure, I have 8 sectors ng circles natin. Now, another example, kunyari meron akong isang circle at hinati ko po ito sa gitna equally. Yung kalahati po nun, ang tawag po natin ay semicircle. At ang kanyang general formula to find for the area of the sector of the circle is equivalent to A is equals to 1/2 pi r squared. Given na po yun. Ibig sabihin nun, alam na po natin na. I have my second example. Kumuha ako ng quarter ng circle. Yung quarter ng circle na yan, yung isang quarter ng circle na yan, ay ang tawag po natin dyan, sector ulit. So, ito po is central angle. Pag 1/4, ang kanyang sukat is lagi pong 90. 1/4. Then, yung nasa arc, ang tawag po natin dito is intercepted arc. Tandaan na ang central angle at saka intercepted arc ay lagi pong magkaparehas ng degree measures. If I have another circle but without the degree measures, yung angle na form ko dito sa loob, ito po yun, ito yung angle. Ito po, since wala pong nakalagay, ang tawag po natin ito is nth angle or end angle. Ibig sabihin nun, that is the missing angle that we're going to find kung hinahanap po natin ang kanilang possible degree measures sa pamamagitan ng given informations. So we have the nth angle. Pero tinatawag din po natin itong central angle kasi yung kanyang angle ay nagmumula sa pinaka-center ng circle. Of course, ito po is also an intercepted arc pa rin po yun. So ito, hanggang dyan, ang tawag natin yan is sector ng isang circle. Okay, let us now have some example. I have some example, 4 examples here. We're going to find for the area of the sector of the circle, where our r is equals to 4, our central angle is equals to 120. Then our second example, r is equals to 15, and our central angle is equals to 80. Example number 3, our r is equals to 7, and our central angle is equals to 150. And for our example number 4, our r is equals to 13, our central angle is equals to 70. Short, our r is represented by our radius. Now, let us have example number 1. How are we going to solve for this? Of course, first we have to determine the value of our radius that is equivalent to 4 units, and our n is equivalent to 120 units. Our general formula to be used kung nawawala yung n or kung meron lang po is A is equals to area is equals to n over 360 multiplied by pi over pi r squared. So, madali lamang po. Yung atin pong gagawin ay napakasimple lang. We just simply substitute n as equals to 120, then compare si 360. Yung ating radius is equals to 4. Ilalagay lamang po natin dito yan. Then simplify po natin yung 120 over 360, that is equivalent to 1/3. Find the simplest form. Then multiply po natin ngayon si 4, that is 4 times 4, that is equals to 16. Multiply po natin si 1 times 16 times pi, that is equals to 16 pi. Kopya si number 3, and our final answer is the area now is 16 over 3 pi square units. Let us have example number 2. Our r is equals to 15, and our central angle is equals to 80. Now, for us, of course, we are going to use the general formulas. Then, substitute lamang po natin yung n. Papalitan natin ng 80, yung r, which is equals to 15. Then, simplify po natin yung 80 over 360. Simplest form po nun is 2 over 9. Paano nangyari yun? You are going to think of a number that when you divide to the both of numerators and denominator, there will be no factors, or wala na pong remainder na matitira. So, nung sinimplify ko po, ang lumabas po is 2 over 9. Then, 15 times 15, that is equals to 225. Then, multiply 2 times 225, that is equals to 450. 450 over 9, then 450 divided by 9, that is equals to 50. Kopyahin natin si pi. Therefore, ang ating final answer is equals to 50 pi squared units. For example number 3, we have r is equal to 7, central angle is equals to 150. How are we going to solve? The same, substitute lamang po. Yung n natin is 150, yung atin pong r is equals to 7. Then, simplify po natin yung 150. Anong nangyari sa 150? Simplify. Ang lumabas po is 5 over 12. Then, 7 times 7, that is 49. Then, we have to multiply 49 times 5, that is equals to 245. Our pi, pwede naman yan. Pero most probably, susulatan yung pi lagi dito sa after the numbers. Then, if we're going to divide 245 divided by 12, our answer is 20 and 5 over 12. Now, yung final answer, it depends upon the questions. Kung ang hinihingi po ni sir is exact value na may decimal, divide nyo lamang po ito, din yun yung sagot natin. Pero pag hiningi po is mixed fraction, ibibigay niyo yung ganitong klaseng sagot. So, our final answer is equivalent to 20 and 5 over 12 units. For our number 4, example, central angle is 70, radius is 13. Now, to solve for this, we have again to substitute 70 for degree, 13 for our R. Simplify po natin ito. Ang matitira po is 7 over 36. So, nangyari din 13 times 13, that is equals to 169. Then, our pi dapat nasa right side. Then, we're going to multiply 7 times 169, that is equivalent to 1,183. Then, kopyahin natin yung 36 sa baba, kopyahin natin si pi. So, we have our final answer in this form. Okay po ba? Hindi po ba ang dali-dali lang? So, sana ay hindi ka na mahirapan. Ikaw mismo ay pwede ka nang magsagot para sa sarili mo nang sa gayon hindi ganun.